to our Facebook page. And let's see if we're live. Are we live?
Maybe.
Are we live?
I think so.
Well, my Zoom says we're live, but are we live? Let's just see. Oh. Wow. You got to be on the right part of the page to see if you're actually live first. So let's see. Are we live? We're live. We're live. Yay! I'm looking all over the place. All right. So.
Hello, everybody. Oh, goodness.
Okay. So. I'm gonna share there. Okay. So I'm going to share this to our business pages as well, right?
Yes. Yes.
So you're doing that as well. Yes.
Yes. I think I am. I don't know.
Okay. Well, let me do my group. I'll have to do that later. Maybe.
All right. So we are live in the Blue Ridge Stampin' Escapes page, right?
Yay!
And hello, everybody. I'm Dana Sullivan, the Stampin' Chick, and this is Wendy.
Yep, Wendy Lee from CreativeLeeYours.com. Yay!
We're so excited to be here with you guys today. We are here to talk about our new upcoming Artistically inked Stampin' Escape, Blue Ridge Stampin' Escape.
It's a mouthful.
Oh my goodness. Yes, but it is so much fun. And we cannot wait to share it with you. Oh, there we are. I'm seeing it too. So that's awesome.
Oh, good. Good.
I'm making sure, well, I think I'm making sure that I don't have any sound going here. So anyway, you know, we don't want to hear a reverb or anything crazy like that. So I'm just making sure that there's no sound and all that good stuff. So anyway, welcome everyone. Thank you so much for being here. We appreciate you all. We are super excited to share this Stampin' Escape with you because it is going to be such a great time and the products are absolutely gorgeous. They are so pretty. And I think the projects are fantastic. So we can't wait to share it all with you. And so our Blue Ridge Stampin' Escape, the artistically inked Blue Ridge Stampin' Escape, is going to be on Saturday, June 26th. It'll start at 8 o'clock in the morning and we post all day long. So you'll have 12 absolutely gorgeous projects that are going to be shared. You'll get a PDF as well as a video tutorial for each of the projects. And we love doing a Facebook Live welcome kickoff on the Friday night before. We have such a good time with that one, don't we?
Yes, yes.
So we do Facebook Live and we play Stampin' Bingo, which is so much fun. Yes. And we're doing that live at 8:30 p.m. on Friday the 25th, right?
Yes, yes.
And then the actual Stampin' Escape will start Saturday morning at 8 a.m. and we'll go throughout the course of the day. And then Wendy and I each do a Facebook Live and we do interactions throughout the day with everyone and we have a great time and we do prize patrol, which is always so much fun. And we do bonus material and then we wrap up the day with a fun and fabulous mystery stamping event. So always a great time. Yes. All right. So, Miss Wendy, if you would like to take the wheel and let people know what exactly are they going to get when they register for the Stampin' Escape.
Okay, awesome. So first thing I want to share is we are featuring the artistically inked stamp set. Let me see if I can get that up in front of my camera and the coordinating dies. the artistic dies. So these are an option that you can add on to your kit if you'd like to, but you can use anything that you have at home as well. So you don't have to have these, but I wanted you to know that that's what we're featuring. And then in your kit, not only will you get the consumable supplies all packed up, neatly labeled for 12 projects. Yes, 12 projects. You will also get a full pack of the Expressions in Ink Designer Series paper. This is gorgeous, gorgeous paper, gorgeous paper. It's just fabulous. And then I struggle in how to say this. So the Expressions in Ink ephemera pack. So this is chocked full. It's got sequins and multiple sheets of, and you can't tell that they're gold foil, but they are gold foil little punch outs that you're going to add to your projects. And then you're going to get a full pack of the new 2021-2023 in color jewels. Yay.
Pretty.
Yes. All right. But there's more, right? We also have a bonus class that you're not going to want to miss. So the bonus class is exclusive only to those that participate in the escape. So we will usually have the tutorial for the main kit projects, the 12, for purchase later after the event. But the bonus class you cannot get any other way.
Exclusive.
Yes. So the bonus class is really two really big classes. Well, I say they're big classes. They're a little more than a simple item. Yeah. And that's going to include a full pack of the gold foil paper and a pack of the 2021-2023 in color designer paper stack. So you'll get additional products plus, oh my gosh, the projects. Dana, you want to show your bonus project? Or
yes.
You show yours, okay. Then I'll show mine.
All right. So mine starts out like this and opens up like this.
Very exciting.
And it's not just one-sided, but two-sided.
Nice.
Fabulous album. It includes pockets and tags, and I'm trying to close it back up again here. So it's an accordion folding. An accordion folding book, and it has a couple of these fabulous little sections that open up, and it's got pockets with little tags. So cute. I absolutely love it. And it makes good use of that fabulous designer series paper, which is fantastic. And then it has all sorts of little spots for you to put journaling and photos and all kinds of fun stuff.
Nice. That's going to make an awesome gift for someone. Yes. Can't wait. All right. I'm going to show you mine as well. So my project is a stationery gift box. So the lid comes off and it folds down, and you've got little pockets with goodies in it. So what do we have in here? So we're going to have 6 cards. So if I can pull those out, and I have them staggered. So we'll just show you 6 cards and then coordinating envelopes that are stamped. And what's really cool is they have the leaf on them, and then you've got these little seals. Let me get one of those out so you can see. There's a whole bunch of little seals. So when you seal your envelope, you'll just stick that little flower to seal it.
Super pretty.
And then we've got little note cards as well. So cute little, see if I can get this up in here, little 3x3 note cards. You got 6 of those as well. And then you've got coordinating envelopes there where it's stamped with the leaf again. And you've got your little seal, flower seal, to seal it closed to coordinate. Fun?
So pretty.
Right? I think this is going to be awesome because everybody needs to send out little notes to people, right? You could put these on gifts as a little note card that way, or you could just send a little note to somebody. This would also, the whole box would make a fabulous gift for someone as well. So absolutely. That you're going to be able to do with this little project here. So yay.
Yes. Yay.
So excited about both of them.
I absolutely love the bonus projects. I mean, I love all the projects, but the bonus projects are just amazing. They're so detailed and there's so much to them. They make fabulous gifts and they're going to be so much fun to put together.
Yes, I agree. You definitely don't want to miss out on those.
Right. So we have a lot of stuff going on with this Stampin' Escape. It's so much fun, and there's so much color, and it's beautiful, and the gold foil is just amazing. Oh my gosh. This is going to be a great one.
Yes, I agree. I think this is going to be one of our best ones. We've had some really good ones, but
this has been so much fun.
Yes, I especially love this stamp set. This stamp set and dies and all the coordinating products. They're just gorgeous, just beautiful.
They
and
really are.
They make you look like an artist without you really having to try very hard. So
yes, that's the best thing ever. Like Stampin' Up just knows how to make us look good.
Yes, they do. Thank goodness for that, right? All right, what else do we have here? All right. Oh, let's tell them a little bit about what they can expect in finding all their content. You went over some of that, but let me kind of regroup on a couple main bullets. So I want to reiterate, if Dana didn't already mention this, I think she might have, but know that the event actually takes place in an exclusive Facebook group. So we will invite you to that once we're a little bit closer to the 26th. I think it's about a week or two ahead of time. We send you an invite to join us on the Facebook group where things start to begin, all the fun. But if you're not on Facebook, it's okay. We email it all out to you. So you're not going to miss out on the actual class content.
Right.
You know, so you still get that, all your goodies and everything there. Now, as I mentioned, the bonus classes is only available in the group.
Right.
So you can only get that. It's not in the group. You only get it as part of the Escape main thing. So if you did not join us for the Stampin' Escape itself, then you cannot get the bonus classes. So we won't be selling those later. So they're exclusive to the event only. That information is emailed out to everybody. It's not in the Facebook group because not everybody purchases that, right? So you will get that via email, and every single one, I think Dana mentioned this as well, there's a tutorial, a PDF tutorial, as well as a video tutorial. So you get both. So it's whichever you prefer. You can look at both. You can choose one or the other, whatever makes you happy.
Yes.
Dana also mentioned we're going to have Facebook Lives. So there'll be one the Friday night before. So that's, I think, the 25th. And then we'll have 2 additional ones on the 26th, some bonus content for you and chances to earn prizes. So it's a lot of fun. We gather virtually, right? And are able to connect and have some crafting fun. So it's really nice. And you can do this from wherever you are. You might be on vacation and taking a leisurely afternoon on the beach. Bring your crafting with you. You might be at a baseball game, right? You might be at a baseball game, watching your kids play, maybe between games. It's something that you do, right? I don't know. There could be all kinds of things. Or you could just be hanging out in your craft room with us, and we are happy to have you. So wherever you're at, you can come and enjoy all the fun. Yes?
Absolutely.
All right.
So, and you know, when people get their kits, you're not going to get this jumbled up, chaotic mess of things. We have everything labeled out for you, nice and easy. Each project is individually packaged so that you know exactly which thing goes where.
Yes.
And there will be no confusion. It's very simple and easy. All of the cardstock will be cut. You'll have measurements to cut your designer series paper, and you can choose which papers you want to use.
Yes.
So it's entirely up to you. You can go along with what we've got, or you can go rogue and do your own thing.
Right.
It's going to include papers and everything, right? Like everything they need, except for their adhesives and their basic toolkit. It's going to be in this kit, isn't it? It's great.
Yes. Yes. It's a lot of good stuff all packaged up for them. Yes. Awesome.
Yeah, very nice.
Awesome. So Dana, when's the last day for people to register if they want to join us?
Oh, the last day for registration is June 5th.
June 5th. All right. So if you want to join us and participate with all these fabulous projects, make sure you register with either Dana or myself by June 5th. I put the links to register on each of our sites in the video description for this Facebook Live. So you should be able to find us okay. Or you can go to our websites, the Stampin' Chick or CreativeLeeYours, and see them that way. But the links are easier. Take you right to all the information. It gives you all the details. There's the registration link. Once you register, you'll get your PayPal invoice sent to you, and you just process payment, and then you're good to go. We'll take care of everything else and get it out to you.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Yep. Super easy. All right.
Very good.
I'm not seeing any questions in the one group. Let me check another.
I think we do pretty good about making sure everything's put out here. So that's good.
I think we are good, but let me just double check and make sure there's no questions. Dana and I will both go back after the video, and if anybody does have questions, we will make sure that we answer those.
Yeah.
Reach out to us because we want to answer any questions that you guys have. But hopefully we've given you a little taste of what you might expect.
Absolutely. This is so much fun and so exciting. I can't wait. I always get super excited right before.
I know, it's so much fun. We've got everything designed. We're working on all the tutorials now. So those will be done in the coming days, and then we're going to order everything the day after registration. So it's all comes. So yay.
Yes. And it's so wonderful too, like the PDF, and you've got the video. So if you're a visual learner, you can create right along with us. And if you want to just skip ahead, like just show me the basics, then you can look at the PDF and you can see how to do it. And it works all the way around for all the different learning styles.
Yep. It does. It definitely does. All right. I think that's it. Do you have anything else, Dana?
Join us. Sign up.
Yes. All right. So we look forward to seeing you all on the 25th for the welcome party. Yes.
8:30 p.m. Eastern time. All of the times are in Eastern time.
Yes. Perfect. All right. That's it.
Yay. See you there.
And join us for the fun. Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Thank you all.
Thank you. Bye, guys.